Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with ValueCharts.com. We're going to go ahead and take a look at coffee. More specifically, a trade that we had earlier today in coffee based off of what's called a high-low reversal. And that is when you break the high of the previous bar and then reverse and break the low. And then coffee happened to also close down below the low like this, giving us what's called an outside bar bearish engulfing pattern. Now, if you were in the trading room, you know we were saying it was a short from 149 roughly, right as this bar was closing, or right before this bar was closing. We were saying it was potential short opportunity based on a high-low and bearish engulfing, and it ended up working out really, really well and has since then plummeted down from 49 down to 42.40, where you can see where it ended up closing the day out. Now, the thing about this and the thing about how this trade worked out, there's a couple things you could have been looking at, or one of the things you could have been looking at for coffee to stay in this trade much longer is once you have that short-term outlook of, okay, we should be going lower from here based on the 30-minute chart, then you take a step back, and if you look at a daily price chart, you actually had the same thing on the daily where we broke the high of yesterday and reversed and broke the low. So you had a high-low reversal on the daily. And the daily price chart would suggest it goes down much further than what a 30-minute price chart would do. So you know, okay, I can stay in this trade longer for a much bigger move to the downside. And then lastly, if you've been in the trading room with us last week, or even on Twitter, last week we were saying it was a short, coffee was short for a swing trade to the downside with a target of 140. So we were basically there. I mean, we're 2 points away. As you can see, we're at 42.40 right now, based on a breakout of this daily consolidation. So that's worked out really, really well. And I know there's a couple people in the trading room still holding on to that short that are up $6,000 a contract or so, however much it ends up being. It's 375 a point, and you're up about 20 points, a little bit less. So not a bad trade overall. But that's just one example of one of the many trades we take in the trading room. I would love to have you join us. Just go to valuecharts.com/go. If you want to sign up for a 1-month trial, you can get in a trial for an entire month for $7. So look forward to seeing you there. Don't forget, you can follow me on Twitter @TradesWithTom. And until next time, happy trading.